Alright, this is Riley and Samantha's PowerPoint, and we put in the Shemale Beehives.
We're gonna see it.
We're gonna see what Sister
Reaction.
Clark does.
Yeah.
We do this all the time.
Yeah, it's really
So,
funny.
he's currently talking to some freak up there who's probably gonna kill her and rape us, but you know. And Riley's over there being a skank, leading him on. She had her shirt up like that, and she like went up there to look at him. She said to see if he would give her a look.
We decided that we're gonna go out that door. Oh, if he kills her. Okay, here we go. Be quiet.
Okay, alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Here it goes. What the hell? Why you keep looking at me? What did you do? There it is.
Keep the commandments. But she really...
By the Shemale.
Okay, let's go. Woo! Yeah! You weren't supposed to read it. You were just supposed to see if she caught it.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, the Lord Almighty